So I previously did a video on how self-care should primarily focus on taking care of your inner self more than your outer self. I noted in that video that I was not completely against having a routine to take care of your outer self or treating yourself with a little retail therapy every now and then. You have to have a routine that focuses on nurturing your mental, spiritual, and emotional well-being that will provide a holistic approach to helping you maintain an overall healthy mind and body. And if you are someone who is trying to do that, if you are trying to focus on real self-care, then you're watching the right video, because I am going to recommend some products that I believe would be the most beneficial to taking care of your inner self if you are indeed going to be spending your money on products. And this is such an important part of self-care, because I don't care how much money you spend on products for your outer appearance, you will still feel like you're missing something, that you're neglecting yourself. You may be stressed or still feeling off balance. You have to be mindful of what you're putting into your body, whether it be what you're eating, reading, or listening to. Because what you put in is what you get out. So if you're not making smart choices, you can't be surprised if it shows up on the outside too. But don't worry, I'm going to help you with those choices today. So let's get to it. So the first products that I want to recommend are going to be for your mental well-being self-care. And that would be self-care journals. For me, journaling is a powerful tool for mental clarity and emotional release. I have several journals. I believe journals help you track your thoughts, feelings, and your progress over time, because let's be real, we forget. I use them to set goals, and I also have a gratitude journal that I use. These are just a few of the journals that I have. Like I said, I have multiple journals. I have journals that go all the way back probably from 10 years from today, but journals definitely help with your mental clarity and help you to enhance your self-awareness about things just by being able to get all your thoughts out of your head and onto paper. I'm going to be listing all of these products that I'm mentioning in the description box below for purchase. But for the journals, I also have a free downloadable self-care journal that has guided prompts and is perfect for helping you maintain a positive mindset if you don't want to purchase one just yet. The next item would be a positive daily affirmation desk calendar. You can use this at home or you can use it at work. I actually have one back here. I have a couple of them. I rotate them out just depending on my mood. But I definitely feel like if you have something throughout your day to help with your self-care routine, it'll help keep positivity in your mindset, and it'll also help set the tone for your day if you're going to your desk first thing in the morning at work or at home. You can also find them where it's a combination of a calendar like this one behind me. You can just place them where you can see them easily, like I said, such as your work desk, or you can put them on your bedside table, and it just helps you keep something around you so that you can always refer to something positive when you need it. The third product I would recommend are affirmation cards. I actually have a set here. These are amazing. I love these cards, and I'm usually always giving them out as gifts. They're an excellent way to keep positive thoughts within your reach because it's full of cards. You can actually keep these on your desk as well. If you're going to be leaving your house, you can put them in your purse. I mean, they're just so easy to have and keep with you when you need a quick boost of encouragement. You can take them anywhere you want to go. You can tape them to your mirror if you want to, or in some instances, I've used them as bookmarks. It always helps to keep something within your reach when you need that dose of positivity. The next product that I recommend for self-care is going to be pertaining to your emotional well-being. Now, for your emotional well-being, I do like to recommend things such as mindfulness, maybe even meditation, spending time with family and friends. Those are things that help contribute to your emotional well-being. But you could also use an aromatherapy diffuser in your house when you're not with your family and with your friends, when you're not engaging in your hobbies and things that you love to do for your emotional well-being. I definitely believe that aromatherapy helps. And for aromatherapy, you can just use a diffuser such as this. This diffuser is an oil diffuser, and so you place essential oils inside of it. This top comes off. I'll have this linked as well. And you place water in it and a few drops of your essential oil. You can pick any oils of your choice, and it just releases a cool mist, and that you could also use as a humidifier. And honestly, it really does help calm your mind. I like to have it going when I'm cleaning my house, or just at night if I'm getting ready to go to bed and I'm reading. I actually found a case of different essential oils that I'll also link in the description box that can go with this, but you can find any of your choice to use for this as well. Next would be products that I recommend for self-care would be to help take care of your spiritual well-being. And of course, I believe I've mentioned before, for my spiritual well-being, I love to pray. I love to read the Word of God. Those are all things that help with my spiritual well-being. And if that is something that is of interest to you, I recommend the Holy Bible, of course, but then also a commentary. A commentary helps with studying the Bible, and it gives you a deeper understanding and meaning and interpretation of what you're reading in your Bible. I know sometimes it can be hard to understand what you're reading in the Bible, so a commentary will definitely help. There's one that I will link in the description box that is very helpful for your reading. I also recommend the Power Thoughts Devotional by Joyce Meyer. It is an app. I will leave that information in the description box as well, because it also comes in a book. I never knew that. I've been using the app for the last 2 years. You do have to purchase it. I believe it is $10. Don't quote me. But there's also a book as well if you prefer to read, or I believe it's also available as an audiobook. And if you choose to go the audiobook route, check my description box, because I have a link for you to be able to get it for free. The next self-care products that I recommend are going to be for your holistic well-being. And when it comes to your holistic well-being, one of the things I recommend is that you definitely make sure you get sufficient, refreshing sleep. Sufficient, refreshed sleep is crucial because it will enhance your thinking, your mood, and overall, it just helps with your physical health. We all know how we feel when we do not get enough sleep. Sleep also allows your body to repair itself. And without sufficient rest, we open ourselves up to all kinds of chronic conditions such as heart disease, diabetes, and mental health disorders. And so to help with your sleep, if you do need it, I recommend a white noise machine. White noise machines have been shown to promote relaxation and reduce stress. I use them for myself, my husband uses them, and I also use them for my babies. They still use them to this day as toddlers. I love the fact that they reduce and mask noises that will interrupt your sleep. They definitely help with my toddlers because they both don't always take a nap at the same time, so it helps to have something blocking the outside noise to keep you or your toddler asleep. Another product I would recommend are blackout curtains. If you don't know what blackout curtains are, you have to get them. Blackout curtains can improve your sleep by reducing the light exposure that comes into the room that you're sleeping in, and they really do work. And they're not funny looking curtains that look different than any other regular curtains. You can actually find them in different styles and different colors, just like you would your regular curtains that you would buy for your room. You just need to make sure that you look for blackout curtains, but I will also have some linked in the description box as well. The next recommendation I would have for self-care for your holistic well-being would be to make sure you are nurturing your body with water, vitamins, and probiotics. All three of these are essential for your body because they help your body work properly. You know how important water is to your body. Of course, we need water to stay hydrated, but getting enough water also helps control our body temperature. We know how good vitamins are. Vitamins boost your immune system and they keep your cells healthy. I know for some, drinking water or getting enough water throughout your day can be a bit difficult. And so I have a recommendation. I am a waterhead and I usually don't have a problem with drinking water because that's usually all that I drink, but I do have difficult days where I'm more busier than others, and this bottle really does help me make sure I get through my water. I'm sure you've all heard that it helps to take a multivitamin daily, whether you're a man or whether you're a woman. Please make sure you speak to your primary care physicians before you start taking any type of medicine. that you have not been prescribed. But once you get the okay, my favorite are gummy vitamins, and I will have the kind that I take linked in the description box as well. Probiotics are also very good for you. Probiotics help you maintain a healthy bacteria balance in your gut, and I don't have time today in the video to go in how important it is to make sure you maintain a healthy gut, but look it up because it's crucial to your health. Of course, healthy eating and exercise. Healthy eating and exercise by now should speak for itself when it comes to how we live our lives. Let's be real. Healthy eating is typically known to be bland, and exercising is time consuming and tiring. But without it, you are going to gain weight, and you're also going to increase your risk of chronic disease like heart disease and diabetes, like I've mentioned before. Additionally, you'll also experience low energy levels and poor mental health, including stress and depression, which we are always trying to stay away from. So some suggestions for things that I do that help are herbal teas. I drink a variety of organic teas that help with stress, detoxing, and a good night's sleep. And there are also some that help you with positive energy. And when it comes to eating healthy, you either need to make healthier choices when you're eating out, or you can cook home for yourself. You can always find healthy recipes on YouTube, or there are plenty of sites that offer many recipes for healthy meals. I'll list one of my favorites in the description box. And then we have exercising. For exercising, one thing that really has helped me to exercise at home, since I'm not able to quite make it to a gym just yet, is I bought a yoga mat. A yoga mat helps with floor exercises, and it makes it a little bit more comfortable. I'll pop on a 10 to 15 minute YouTube workout plan and get my mat out, and in 15 minutes I'm done. And if you become consistent with your exercise routine, you are going to be sore. And if you can't get out to get a massage, you can purchase one. It's one that you can always keep and use when you're at home or even when you're driving. Massagers not only help relieve muscle pain and tension, but they also help relieve stress as well. I hope this video gave you some insight on the things you should spend your money on pertaining to self-care. But always remember, taking care of your inner self is just as important as taking care of your outer self. Whether it's through journaling, praying, or simply just making time to make sure you get enough water in your day. These practices can help you achieve a balanced and fulfilling life, even if you can't commit to all of them at once. Starting somewhere is better than not doing anything at all. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss any of my future self-care videos. I love to hear your thoughts and any self-care practices you swear by in the comments below, and others might like to hear them as well. Until next time, take care of yourself inside and out.